NC Piedmont Outdoors presents Canteen Cup Cooking Chicken Lasagna. Brought to you by Slammer Series Turkey Calls. Made by a hunter for hunter. Visit www.slammerseries.com today and get your turkey call. Also, Aqua Leisure Services LLC, serving the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware and surrounding areas. Sign Scientists, providing a broad range of services including wall murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task. Visit www.signscientist.com or call 919-685-7641.
Hey everybody, this is Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors, coming to you from my backyard again today. I'm going to try using the fire pit, and what I've got to cook for you today is some Canteen lasagna. So I've got my Pathfinder Canteen cook set. I've got some chicken, some tomato sauce, some Papa John's spices. I got some pepper and some olive oil. Got some creamy mozzarella cheese, some no-bake noodles. I've got my canteens and their lids, so I'm going to go ahead and get the fire started here, and then we'll start putting this together. Alright everybody, I got the coals and the wood there just burned down to a nice little bit of coals. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and add my little grill and put that back onto the coals on top there, and then we'll start mixing our ingredients and start getting stuff cooked, so stay tuned. Alright everybody, I put my little grill in there. So what I'm going to do first is just kind of get this first canteen on the coals here, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my olive oil to the bottom of that, just a little bit of splash right there, and let that start heating up. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my onion and peppers. So again, not a huge onion fan, but you know, you need a little bit of that flavor, so this shouldn't take that long to heat up. Alright everybody, got the onion and the green pepper. It's sizzling real nice, cooking in the canteen. So now I'm going to go ahead and add other ingredients for the sauce for the lasagna. Alright, so I've got a can of tomato sauce. This is a little can from Walmart, so I'm going to go ahead and add all that tomato sauce in there. There we go. And this recipe requires a little bit of water, so I'm going to go ahead and add the water with the chicken and right in there as well, and get all this chicken out. Open that a little bit more so that can come out. Okay. Chicken, all right, got all the chicken. And then I'm going to take my Papa John's spice right here, and I'm going to go ahead and open this packet and put it in there. Oh, that's perfect. I'll put that in there. Okay, give that a quick stir. Make sure I hold my handle at the top. Alright. We're going to go ahead and just let that simmer right here on the fire. Alright everybody, that sauce is bubbling up real nice here. I've got it mixed up a little bit, and this time I did break up the chicken because I just don't want big clumps when I'm making my lasagna. So as this continues just to kind of simmer real nice, I'm going to taste it. Delicious. Here in the noodles. So I'm going to switch over here to the table, and I'll show you guys that in a sec. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do for my lasagna. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take just a little bit of spray. First I'm going to do some little canola oil non-stick spray. Hopefully you can see that. I'm just going to kind of spray the bottom of this canteen here real quick. There you go. Just get a little spray. Try not to have the sauce and everything get stuck, but that's okay. So then I'm going to go ahead and add just a little spoonful of sauce to the bottom, just to get it a little bottom coated. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these noodles, these no-bake noodles that I have, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to break them up to try to fit inside my canteen. So I'll just kind of get close and be like, all right, it's close enough, so we'll go ahead and drop that in there, you know, and just kind of layer these noodles on the bottom there. There we go. Kind of put that there. There we go. And then after I put a label of noodle, I'm going to put another label of sauce, a little spoonful of sauce, sorry, and then some mozzarella cheese. Alright, so I've got those little noodles on the bottom, so then I'm going to go ahead and take another spoonful of sauce, just kind of coat those noodles a little bit. There we go. Kind of put them on the bottom. Okay. Then I'm going to drop in some mozzarella cheese, some creamy mozzarella I'm going to put on top. Perfect. Then I'm going to go ahead and get another little bit layer of sauce, and see the peppers and the chicken and all, and just kind of put that in there. And we'll kind of smush it around, make sure I get it coated and covered. Perfect. Then I'm going to add some of these other noodles that I already put up here. So I'm going to kind of put that in, break this one up, put it on the side here. So every little bit's got a little bit of layer of noodle, and then a sauce, and then some Parmesan cheese. So make sure I layer that in nicely. So I got to use up all the sauce, and I want to make sure it's good and it melts nicely with the cheese. So I'm going to go ahead and add some more cheese now. And put a little more in there. Perfect. And I'm going to go ahead and keep layering. So I'll just keep doing that, and then I'll return it to the fire and pick up you guys there. So stay tuned. Alright everybody, so I've got everything put in there. I don't want to tip this canteen too much, but I can show you right there. It's got everything I need. It's got the sauce, the cheese, and noodles. Everything's ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back on the fire and just let it slowly bake over those coals, and then we'll be ready to eat, and I'll show you the finished product in a few. Stay tuned. Alright everybody, I'm just going to kind of lift the lid and kind of give you a look as to what we got, and there it is. That looks delicious. That is just a good meal right there. So I'm going to go ahead and put this lid back on, and then I'm going to take it off the coals and the fire here and go inside and enjoy it. So just want to say again, this is Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors, and appreciate y'all watching. If you like the content, please go ahead and like it, and also if you have any comments, please just throw those in there. I'd be happy to respond to you. And as always, please hit that subscribe button so we can grow this channel and have more recipes and more canteen cooks and more adventures.